Composite repair, in terms of from the time that you contact us to the time that you have a solution being installed, can be as quick as a few hours if we have the material in stock at a location near your facility. And we do stock a range of materials. So for smaller repairs where we're wrapping a small section of pipe and you have a defect, we can generally repair those very, very quickly. We can do the engineering, we can plan the job, and we can pull the materials out of our inventory really, really quickly for you to be able to address these issues, and you don't have to wait for weeks. If it's a very large, complicated project, maybe you've got hundreds of meters of pipe that are at risk, then we like to do a consultation. We want to understand where all your defects are, the sizes, the types of defects, really have a consultation with you to talk about the lifespan that you want for this repair, and then we're going to bring in that surplus extra large amount of material for that larger project as an order for that project specifically. And that might take a few days or a couple of weeks depending on the complexity of the job. And we have done projects where we've been able to fly the materials in very, very quickly and respond in a day or two. But very, very large projects sometimes have a consultation period where we're working with you and your engineers and your field supervisors to come up with an overall plan. So the more consultation we can have, the better solution we can make. So, composite repair can be a few hours or a couple weeks in duration in terms of the planning.